Hey everybody, welcome back again. So today we are installing VNC Viewer. So actually why we use VNC Viewer? We use VNC Viewer on Windows system for accessing Linux remote desktop, okay? Linux OS remote desktop, okay? So let's go to browser, okay? So I'll open here my Chrome browser and here I search in the Google VNC Viewer. VNC viewer. Okay, when you search the VNC viewer, you can search VNC viewer download. Okay, so when you search the VNC viewer download, the first link will appear here. Okay, I'll also mention the description. I'll also mention the link in the description, so you can click here. Okay, so just open this link and we can see this is the official site of VNCs. Okay, so accept all cookies. Let's see. Here are some setups. Okay, we need Windows setup. Okay, so this is the download real VNC. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, yeah, this is a exe 86 x64. Okay, there are some setups. Okay, there is a MSI installer. Okay, there is exe installer. This is a exe installer. Okay, this is the exe. Okay, so we this is the install a standalone and this is the standalone. So we just download first. We just download normal exe file. Okay, so we click just here and it will ask me to where I want to download. So let's suppose here. Okay, this is the first way and you can see this is the setup. Okay, I have here, so you can just right click, double click and run it, and right click on and open it. Okay, so I'll just run it and English. Okay, just and next I accept the terms and condition. You have to read all terms and condition if you want to. Maybe you should read all the terms and condition if you want to. Okay, so just click next and now the just keep it the default to configuration and click the next. Okay, and it will ask the final permission for installing 7.13 VNC viewer. Okay, so just click on install. When you click on install, it will ask the permission to you. Okay, let's wait and because it will ask me to allow it. Okay, until it asks me to allow it, we can go again in this side, and when you click this side and I have allowed the okay run. Okay, so you can see the VNC viewer has been installed successfully. Okay, just finish it. When you finish it, you can search the VNC here. Okay, you can find the VNC setup. Okay, just okay, now you can see. Okay, this is the first way to install the VNC viewer. Okay, you can use standalone setup. Standalone setup, it means it run automatically. Just you have to download and double click and it will run. I'll show you the I'll show you. We select the standalone 64. Okay, and download it. Now I'll select on desktop. Okay, so it will download here. Okay, it will download. Now you can see this is the setup I have downloaded just now. Okay, this is the standalone. Okay, so it doesn't matter you didn't install, you can use the standalone setup. Just double click on it and it will run like it already installed. Okay, so it is a entirely separate setup from the install on parallelly installed lesson. Okay, so okay, this is at all, and thanks for watching. Let's meet again. Okay, bye. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.